He could be off somewhere in the deepest slumber. He hears that mirror slide open. He's darting in there, never to be seen again. Ugh, why was I changing my bed sheets with my hair down? Do I hate myself or something? I did an absolute classic this week. I was raring to go, fired up. I get my iPad, dead as a doorknob. So it's over there charging for a bit, and that is what I get for having the world's most expensive timer, because do I use the iPad for anything else? No. I might as well just take it old school and get an hour. I'm massively feeling the love on these 1 hour speaking videos at the minute. Put my foot down even more than a holiday. So let me know any holiday content you want to see. I'm officially taking requests, which isn't something I do often. This is usually a dictatorship I'm running here. You get what you're given, which basically consists of me cleaning the same things over and over again. But anyway, I've just realised I need to stop fannying about because I've got less than 10 minutes left. Although I'm not that worried about doing the best job I've ever done today, because the real cleaning will be the clean before I go on holiday. But I will get rid of that Nando's chili jam stain on my sofa. Oh, gone then. I can never resist some stunning Wimbledon lines on my sofa that will be ruined by an arse in 0.5 seconds. Regard the sanctity of the timer, which ended who knows how long ago. Side note, it's not normal how unbothered Lucian is by the Hoover. He doesn't realise he's a cat. He just thinks he's a high lord. Anyway, we have officially entered extra time. I've put a stopwatch going up because my floors need a good scrub.